Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Path to Perfection. Today we are going to make a very easy origami snake. For this we need a sheet of paper. We have to fold it halfway like this. Now cut the paper from the folding. We get two equal sheets of paper. I am taking one. Now see how to fold it. Firstly fold it halfway like this. Press the foldings firmly. Open it and now fold the outer part towards the center like this. Do the same thing for the second part also. Press it firmly. Now you have to fold as shown, like this. Now you have to fold it like this. Now if you press from the corner it will go inside. Now you can see what we have. You have this two openings. Fold it and now fold this opening like this. Press these foldings very firmly so that we get crisp foldings. Open it and when you press it from above, it will get easily pressed. Fold the elevation downwards. Flip it and then do the same thing for the second folding too. Fold it like this. Now you have to fold the marked portion. Fold them back side Now fold the lower part a little bit upside like this, and if you will pull the upper part, paper will come out. Then fold that downwards from both the sides like this. Pull and then press it downwards. Flip the page and fold as shown. Fold like this. Now you have to fold from this point up to this point like this. From this we get two X marks. Now fold the paper as shown up to the center line. Now the previous foldings works. Just make those foldings more crisp and it will help you to fold the paper like this. Now press the paper. You will get the snake's head. Hold its tongue a little bit. Now fold from bottom like this. Open it and press. Then you will see how the paper will fold like this. Now for giving it curly body, press the paper in desired shape. Now our tail is very short, so we will use the second part of the page we haven't used. So take that paper, fold it as shown. Now fold this paper also to get a tail shape. Now just insert the previous paper into this one like this and get the desired shape of tail. Like this. You can shape your snake in any way you like. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.